Hello! So today I'm going to show you how I made my Shadow of the Tomb Raider pants. My first instinct when I was brainstorming was to cut a different pair of leggings that was one size above my pant size, and then just basically just put it on top of a regular pair of cargo pants, sew it or fabric glue it on, and be done with it. And that's exactly what I did. I just took the easy way out. I didn't use any patterns or anything. I just bought a pair of cargo leggings, which were too tight, but I don't really mind. I mean, it's just I'm not gonna spend more money on a second pair. They work for the time being. If I'm ever gonna go to a convention or something, I will buy a different pair, but for my own at-home photo shoot, I'm happy with these. I really hope that you guys like this, or it's helpful to anybody out there, and I finally do a costume reveal, so yay!
So I have reference over at the site tombraidercosplay.com if you want to go have a look. So the way they have it is Lara's wearing cargo pants, and then they have some padded leather around the knees and in the inseam. So they are it has like a yellow and black zipper, just one cargo pocket, detail in the same kind of black leather material, 2 D-rings on the belt. So I went ahead and bought myself a pair of cargo pants. I wasn't really happy with them because they were really tight and bad quality, but you know what, it's just like I said, it's just gonna be for one shoot, and then if I need to, I'll just buy another one. And it's so easy to make, so it won't be a problem. And as for the leather leggings, all I did was just go online and buy myself a pair. They are faux leather, and mine came from eBay. I think I got them for maybe $9. They are relatively okay quality and very useful for this kind of project. So I went ahead and wore the black leggings and the holster on top, made sure that my holster is at the same exact location as Lara's, and then I marked where I wanted my knees to, like the top and bottom of my knees to be with the leather, and then I marked the inseam, and I took it over to the table and I cut away the excess and started to shape it. So as always, this is just an idea. It's not like, it's not gospel. I'm not saying this is the only way to do it or this is the right way to do it. It's just an idea to help somebody out there, or just, for funsies, to look at how I made my costume. So yeah. Once I had my shape out of the black faux leather, I put it on just to see how it fit and everything, and it looked like it was actually working really well. And then I put my holster on just to see exactly if I did well with positioning the knee area and everything. And as you can see, you can still see some of the pants in between the bottom strap of the holster and the very top of the knee area, the knee padding. And then I attached one of the cargo pockets again, because I had removed both of them in order to reposition them. And then I used the other pocket in order to keep the same material throughout the entire craft project. I used the other pocket to make 2 D-rings that would hang off of the belt. And so I didn't have to attach them to the pants. I just attached them to the belt, and they work really well. Because my belt is really sturdy, and I needed it to carry the axes. And then we need to put that leather detail on the side of your pants as well. And for that, I just use some spare pleather material that was just in my fabric box, and that was it. Finally, for that little yellow zipper thing, I didn't have a zipper, so I just salvaged a piece of strap, like black strap, and I put it on top of a piece of yellow craft foam, put some hot glue on it, and then literally just glued it right on top of the pants, and it was, it worked just fine. And for the boots are actually really, really cheap. It would probably cost you less money to just buy them rather than buy the paint and, you know, buy a separate pair of black boots and edit those. This is eBay. They have a lot on eBay. There's at least 300 results or 200 results. And then I went to Amazon just to see. And they do have a couple on Amazon as well. And yeah, they have them in olive drab. That's the one you want. And this is my costume reveal. Yay! So I pretty much have everything except for the right kind of arrows, and then I'm ready for my little photo shoot. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Kitty? Kitty. You can get off my pants, please. Nope, he ignores me.